This 2017 Forest River WILDWOODXLITE 28DBUD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This used Forest River is 29 feet 6 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 10, air conditioning, slideout, smoke detector, CO detector, awning, stove top burner, water heater, oven, auxiliary battery, DVD player, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River WILDWOODXLITE 28DBUD is 6,140 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.